Have you ever seen that dreaded electronic parking brake light flashing on your dashboard? Maybe your car starts beeping. Or worse, the parking brake just won't release. Don't panic. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Auto Care Secret, where we make car care simple, practical, and stress-free. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset your electronic parking brake, EPB, and potentially save yourself a trip to mechanic. First, let's quickly understand what the electronic parking brake actually does. An electronic parking brake, often called EPB, replaces the old-school hand lever or foot pedal with a simple button. Instead of cables, it uses small electric motors to apply and release the rear brakes. It's cleaner, more convenient, and often integrates with features like auto hold and hill assist. But here's the thing, it's amazing until it stops cooperating. Maybe you just change your rear brake pads, replaced or disconnected the battery, had a low voltage issue, or your car simply decided today was the day to act up. The good news? In many cases, resetting the EPB is easier than you think. Let's go 3 methods step by step. Step number 1, safety first. Before touching anything, make sure your car is parked on a flat surface. The engine is running or the ignition is in accessory mode. Depending on your vehicle, your foot is firmly pressing the regular brake pedal. This is important. We don't want any unexpected rolling. Step number 2, the basic reset method. For many vehicles, a simple reset sequence does the trick. Press and hold the parking brake button down for about 5 to 10 seconds. Then pull the button up and hold it for another 5 to 10 seconds. While doing this, listen carefully. You may hear a small motor sound or a click. Watch the dashboard light. It might blink or turn off. That's usually the sign that the system is recalibrating. If the light goes away and the brake releases normally, you're done. Nice and easy. If it didn't work, don't worry. Let's try a deeper reset. Step number 3, the advanced system reset. If your EPB is still stubborn, we'll try a full reset sequence. Turn the ignition on, but do not start the engine. Press the parking brake button down and hold it for about 3 seconds. Release it. Immediately pull the button up and hold it for 3 seconds. Repeat this process 3 to 4 times. You may hear a confirmation beep or see the parking brake light flash. That usually means the system has reset and synchronized itself. Think of it like rebooting your computer. Sometimes the system just needs a fresh start. Thanks for watching Auto Care Secret. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart car tips. See you in the next video.